This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in this video. Listen, CPI report came out, and it is not good. Okay, it is not good. Inflation's up 3%, the highest it's been in 7 months, and it is having a very negative effect on the market. While it was coming out, I was talking to Uncle Frank, and I told him that my portfolio was crashing, and Uncle Frank informed me that his portfolio was up 1.5%. Okay, so CPI, inflation, Treasuries falling, Uncle Frank up 1.5%. I guess he is better prepared for the market than a majority of us retail investors. Anyway, the CPI was like 0.5%. The core CPI was like 0.4%. And like I said before, the treasuries are falling, so the yields are rising, the interest rates are going up, and it's having a detrimental effect on the market. Do I personally think this is a long-term drop? No, I do not. And this is just my opinion. Please do your own DD. Come to your own conclusions. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I personally think this is just a temporary setback, and that all the losses that we see this morning are going to be made up by the end of the day, because the market is just doing well. AMD is going to keep going up. Nvidia is going to keep going up. We might see some pullback with PLTR because it has risen so much over the last 6 months. But in my opinion, even though the CPI data came in a lot higher than the analysts anticipated, I don't see it as having a long-term effect on the market. I mean, I have certain plays that requires it to go back up, so I guess that's why I am more optimistic that it will go back up. But based on everything I'm seeing, based on how I'm looking at the market, I don't see how the CPI data, the inflation data, is going to keep the market down this much over the course of the next 3 trading days. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm saying that it's unlikely. I'm saying that it's unlikely. The bottom line is this. Can we really trust the CPI data? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, because based on everything I've seen over the last 4 years, the data they released to us is false. They release data to support their narrative. And sometimes that's not in our best interest. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the CPI claiming inflation is at a 7-month high of 3%, do you think it's going to have a negative effect on the market for the next few trading days? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.